How would you like to understand the Word of God for you today? I'm giving you one presentation. You may have your own way in which God has touched you. I'm looking at Jesus and how He invites us. He has a plan for each one of us. What happens to us? We have a plan for ourselves. Now, our plans sometimes are strong and we do not want to go along with His plans for us. He is inviting us, but are we able to listen to Him? How do we listen to Him? We must be attuned to Him. If you get a radio, you must be able to know which channel you want. So, if it is the God channel, then you must be able to be attuned to Him. And so, if you are attuned to Him, what is your response to Him? Do you believe that He knows everything about you and that He is going to do everything for you and through you? If you have this belief, then it may be different. Now, did this fisherman have any idea who Jesus was? When He called them and He says, "Come follow me," they left everything. And immediately, look at the response that they give, immediate response. Do you think that St Francis Xavier gave an immediate response? No. What does it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul? He said, don't tell me all these things. So, different responses. So, what is your response? You have to be aware of what is your response to God. When you hear the word of God, are you internally free? St. Ignatius tells us that we must be internally free. And he gives it a very funny kind of name. He says, you must be internally indifferent. Indifferent means free. Indifference means also negative, but he's not meaning that. He's saying you must be free from everything. If you are free from everything, then you will be ready for that which is meant for you. And you'll jump into it straight away. Now look at Hannah and her companion. Not companion, at that time they could have two wives. So Elkanah had these two wives. One of them had born children, the other one had not. Hannah, every woman, I suppose, when she's married, she wants to have children. And if she does not have children, she looks at it very negatively. And so she was looking at it negatively precisely because the other one was taunting her, saying, what are you going to the church, to the temple? You think God is going to listen to you? You're useless. But she said, no, I'm going to go there. And her husband loved her very much. He said, it doesn't matter. It is not important that you should have children. Saying, am I not enough? Am I not more than 10 sons to you? No. I want to ask the Lord. So look at her determination to ask the Lord to make her fruitful. Something may be impossible. There are so many women who are also nowadays, not bearing children. And they have the same kind of inner feeling. They've been going to the Lord, praying, going everywhere, doing all kinds of things, and not able to bear. So, what would be our response? First and foremost, we must respond to the Lord, and He has a plan for us. Whether you bear children or not, whether you're doing one kind of work or not, He has a plan, and He is revealing that to you. How do you know that? What work are you doing? Are you doing that work in union with Jesus and doing it in the best possible way? Are you doing it or He is doing it? Who is doing it? I think here we need to get our focus right. And let us ask the Lord today to help us to be focused on Him so that He who is in us knows what He wants to do through us and what kind of work that each one of us do. But whatever work we are doing now, let it be done by Him through us so that we have the maximum satisfaction of knowing that it is not I, it is He who has done it. And that is what happens to the disciples who are called who will be apostles will go in his name. Let us hold our hands together and ask the Lord to clarify things for us internally so that we may be focused on him and what he wants to achieve through us in our thoughts, words, deeds, and in our life.